This is one of my favorite soups. It's not health food, so I don't eat it maybe once a year. But boy, is it good. You know, super easy to make, elegant enough to have for when you have guests over. It's also a great little weeknight dinner. Next thing we're going to do is cook some bacon. I have 6 strips in here, which I cut into pieces, as you can see. We're going to use 2 10-ounce cans of clams for this. I'm using baby clams. And what I did is I just, as you can see, drained them, but I'm going to keep the liquid. I'm also going to use clam juice for this. This is an 8-ounce bottle. That's 236 milliliters. If you cannot find this, you can use a cup of chicken stock. All right, we're going to take the bacon out of the pot now that it's nice and crisp. I will keep the fat in there. I'm going to add some chopped onion to this and celery. We're going to cook this for a few minutes until the onions are softened and translucent. I'm going to be using baby potatoes for this recipe. All I did is scrub them. I will not peel them, and I quartered them. You can use russet potato, peel it, and just chop it into pieces. I'm going to add some thyme leaves to this. Let's call it a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to cook this for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add our liquid, the liquid from the cans and the clam juice. You know, the clam juice is salty, and the liquid from the can also has some salt to it. So I'm not going to add any salt until the end. We'll taste it and then decide if it needs more. So I have roughly 2½ cups of liquid. And I'm going to whisk it in and get rid of all the lumps that might form, you know, all the flour lumps that might form. I'm now going to add my potatoes. And most of the bacon, I'll leave some for topping. So we'll leave that for toppings. All right, we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Don't let this start boiling crazy, okay? Make sure it's just simmering. These potatoes are cooked. They're nice and tender. I can pierce them with a fork. I'm going to add 1½ cups of cream to this. And I'm going to add the clams. So we're just going to mix all this. We're going to simply heat this through. I'm not going to let this boil. As you can see, I garnished this with some bacon. And now we are going to eat dinner.